Hello, in this video I'll be talking about one of the consequences of breast cancer and its treatment, and that is a sense of a loss of femininity. Before I go on, I'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. We're always putting out new content, so there's always something new to watch. I'd also love to invite you to go to yerbba.com and get your personalized Yerbba report. So this is something we hear from a lot of our viewers, and perhaps you too have had this experience that in the midst of breast cancer and its treatment, you feel a sense of a loss of your femininity. That's in part because of surgeries on the breast and the chest area. It might be because of hair loss and loss of the eyebrows and eyelashes. It can be hot flashes and vaginal dryness. So many parts of your body can feel less womanly. This is a common thing we've heard. I have to say this is added to in people who have their ovaries removed as part of a preventive strategy to prevent ovarian cancer or to decrease the risk of recurrence, especially if all the treatments are close together. So there are a host of reasons why people might feel less than the woman that they felt before. The key thing is to know you're not alone. The second and maybe the most important thing is that society puts expectations of what a woman should look like, focusing on hair and makeup and breast tissue. And of course, you know in your heart that you're so much more than that. But because women are evaluated based on how we look and how we sound and the pleasure we often give to others when they look at our bodies, we can feel we're reduced to our body. Now, of course, there are internal things as well, and if you have symptoms like vaginal dryness, it can make it harder for you to enjoy sexual intimacy. You may also find that you're not as aroused as you have been before because of things like anxiety and vaginal dryness and pain related to treatment, sleep disturbance from chemotherapy and the medications that are given to help prevent side effects. So this may be something that arises from you, but it may also be due to the outside world's expectation of what a woman is. Let's talk about the expectations first of all. These expectations that a woman has long hair and big, beautiful breasts are outdated. There are so many beautiful people who don't have these things that are considered by some people to be necessary assets. So just shake that off. You can write it on a piece of paper and burn it up. You can pour it down the sink and run the garbage disposal. This needs not be how you define yourself. If there are people around you, your mother, your partner, your kids who need you to look a certain way, you might want to talk about to them about how difficult this is for you and how you need to focus on your well-being. Then your own internal feelings of femininity, each of those can be addressed. Number one, you can apply makeup. You can find a program that can help you with a scarf to feel beautiful. You can buy new clothes. New lingerie is something that a lot of people find to be really helpful. And there are camisoles and bras for people who've had a mastectomy. There are swimsuits that can help you feel more beautiful in your body. There are scalp prostheses, which is what we write on the prescription, but this is a wig that can help you feel beautiful. You can have fun with some of these things. I've had patients get a couple different wigs in different colors or hairstyles they would never wear with their own hair. But sometimes holding lightly to what you expect yourself to look like can be good. And if you need to avoid a mirror for a while, that's okay too. Your eyebrows and eyelashes will grow back in. Just take the best care of yourself. Feel that you can acknowledge this is a hard time. What I'm going through right now is really hard. What can I do to take care of myself? Remember, you have worth and you have value. Despite these expectations that are put on you, you don't have to conform to other people's expectations, and know that you're not alone. If you found a way to cope with this, or maybe this hasn't been a concern of yours at all, put a comment or question below. We get back to you within 1 to 2 weeks, just as soon as we can. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.